There was a very loud mechanical drilling sound at 7 in the morning.
I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York.
So I'm trying to give you scale of how big this room is. I'm just walking and walking and walking and walking. Look at this. This is so big. So we just checked in and it was great. It was not a big line, super quick. I did the $20 trick and got my room upgraded. I think this is called a Premier Queen. We're on the 34th floor, which has an awesome view. And the elevator to get here is so fast. So everything in the room feels really clean and taken care of. New York's done a really good job at just upkeeping this hotel, even though it is pretty old. The view from this room is gorgeous. You can see so much of Vegas. You can see the MGM, Excalibur, Tropicana, the airport. It's so high up too. You just feel like you're over every hotel. So the bathroom itself is okay. The dual sinks is nice. They do look like they are a bit dated. The wallpaper's kind of tacky. I do like the shower, but the toilet right in front of it's kind of gross. So, this is the toilet. This is the shower. Way too close, kind of weird. And they need to update everything in that bathroom. Like, again, this whole room, it's clean, it's well taken care of, but things need to be updated. Ooh, the bed feels pretty soft. And the pillows, they seem pretty nice. I'll let you know in the morning how it was.
Hey, there's crazy loud drilling.
Off to the pool. Okay, we're here at the New York pool. It is super loud, super crowded. It's not very big, as you can see, but it looks nice. Everyone's here, and this is a Monday. No, we're on, I don't know what day of the week it is. It is Wednesday, and it is bumping. There's a bar, that's it, one pool, and you can see the roller coaster come by. It's loud, it's fun, come check out the pool. Again, too hot for me to be swimming today.
I hope you're ready to see the Oompa Loompa feature. We didn't get it yet. Oh! Oh shit! What's happening here? Help! Oh boy! Where should I? Oh! That's pretty good. It will. Oompa Loompa. That's good.
You know, Mr. Walker, congratulations. Take a look.
Keep playing the theme song.
How do you feel about this casino?
It's alright.
That's pretty good.
We're at Greenberg Deli in the New York. Decided to try the Reuben sandwich. I got mine with pastrami. This is half the sandwich. It's $15, but Adam and I split it, and it's a lot of food. Give it a try. It's good. Come here. Good food. Not expensive.
Isn't that good? Oh,
That's really good. Wow. Yum.
We're at Big Chill with my rewards. You don't have to use that many. You get a free Jello shot. Save $4. Let's see if they're any good. Whoa. They're not. How's it taste?
Oh, don't like it. Texture-wise, not bad. Strawberry.
I want a whole thing with that.
Best texture, worst tasting.
Best texture. Strawberry was good. I actually like the strawberry.
Well, you did better than I.
I don't think it was awful.
Yeah,
I didn't love it.
Best one we've had so
How
far.
much? What
But
percent?
that's not saying much.
So we're at Tom's Urban, right outside of New York. Another My Rewards, buy one, get one beer, and they're huge. It's 40 ounces. It's a great deal. So yeah, use your My Rewards, come to Tom's Urban.
They have two handles for people with weak wrists like myself. Mmm.
Okay, so we're going to Blvd's for Scott's birthday. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film. It's pretty dark in there. I'll try to get as much as I can. If not, I'll tell you how it was after. Excited to try Blvd's. It's in the Park MGM, which is literally across the street from the New York.
It's 7 a.m. and they're drilling into the building. Cool. Hey, there's crazy loud drilling.
Yes, I was informed by another guest. Right now, it's in our security team. They're investigating right now to see what that is. It's either the prop up source. We don't know.
Okay.
But, yeah, right now, we're literally just informed them.
Okay. Well, I'll follow up with you guys later.
No further, please.
Bye. That was helpful.
They said
it's either what?
They don't know. They have security trying to figure it out.
There was a very loud mechanical drilling sound at 7 in the morning. It sounded like it was directly above or beside our room. Weren't sure what it was. We could hear other guests stomping that were clearly also irritated by being woken up by a very, very loud noise. The mechanical drilling then turned into a lot of banging, like hammer sounds and like clink clank and screws and like everything you could imagine. And this was all at 7 in the morning, and we called the front desk, and they were like, "Well, we're gonna send someone up to investigate," as if they didn't know what it was. And then 20 minutes later, after this constant really loud banging that woke all of us up and was preventing us from sleeping again, they call back and they say that they're doing something with the elevators, that it's some sort of maintenance thing, which is weird because if they knew about them doing this, you'd think that they would have had a warning, like they would have planned it to be loud, and you'd think that they would have done it not at 7 a.m. Because it's not happening now, so clearly it didn't take all day. What is it now, noon?
No.
Yeah, so they could have just started at noon. They could have, after the point where people are supposed to do checkout for their rooms. That would be a good way to coordinate it.
Just relax, Adam.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a weird thing. They told Santino to relax, as if he was being aggressive or something, but that just seemed condescending because he wasn't. He was just asking what was happening in a very calm voice. There's also a part of the window where light gets through no matter how hard you close it, because it's just not designed properly. The blinds do not go over that portion of it. And it goes right onto one of the beds. That's very annoying. So yeah, I could be more well rested, but not the worst sleep I've ever had, I guess.
Would you recommend this hotel?
No, I would not recommend this hotel. It's the room size is nice. It doesn't have a fridge. That's very weird. Not even a mini fridge. And yeah, it doesn't seem great for the price. And why would they want to wake everybody up like that? That seems not friendly to the guests you're trying to accommodate. I want free money.
Thank you.